I just feel like I learn so much when I sit down with you guys, and I know that you will too. These two people are fonts of knowledge in very different ways. Hi there. What are you doing? We are filming.
Polishing my camera.
As you can see, as Kristian Haagen polishes his cameras, there's lights, there's cameras, there's Marcus.
There's people.
There's action.
Microphones.
We have just finished recording an episode of a show that's coming soon, and I thought you deserved a heads up. The show is called, Ellie?
It's a Matter of Time.
A Matter of Time. This is Eleonor Picciotto, by the way, if you don't know Ellie. Ellie is a key part of the show.
That would be the good time to start hearing a little bit of my French accent, his Australian accent, and his Danish one, right?
Kristian, what's the show about?
Well, I wish when I started collecting in 1993, I had very few lifelines. I didn't know what I was doing, and I was seeking the answers of questions I didn't even know existed. Mm-hmm. And I think, taking 3 nationalities, 3 very different ages, 3 very different entrances to this industry, I think, but as a passionate ménage à trois, if you like.
Wow, spicy.
Okay, that's a way to put it. You've seen us around talking about watches, filming watches, reviewing watches, attending watch fairs, so on and so forth. And it's the kind of place where we wanted to speak about all the reasons why we're here today, passionate about what we're doing, even though we've got different backgrounds, we got into the watch industry in so many different ways. We've got different views on a lot of things. And because it's just us being us, whether you like it or not, you should tune in to see if you like the vibe, and if you don't, well, stick around because you're still gonna learn a couple of things.
This just slipped together. We did Cartier together at Watches and Wonders, which again wasn't planned. It was just one of those serendipities.
And it just worked out.
It just worked out. And Kristian, I mean, God, we just have been in each other's lives since that first fateful interview in SIHH.
It's true. No, Andrew and I, we've been in and out of our lives quite a while. No, I think it was just a matter of time until we sat around this Scandinavian table and did some episodes on the why. Why are we here? Why are you guys here? Yeah. What made you enter this collecting watches, the passion about watches, whatever G-Shock you love, whatever Patek Philippe that you like to flash on the restaurants. Does that impress any woman, by the way? Well, you can find out in a matter of time. One of the episodes will cover just that.
And I just feel like I learn so much when I sit down with you guys, and I know that you will too. These two people are fonts of knowledge in very different ways. Ellie's born and bred watch industry. Kristian's is the original, the OG influencer. I'm having a blast just sitting with you guys, and I hope that, well, I know you will too. And I think we should get started pretty soon.
Yeah, I think we should.
Let's get the ball rolling, guys. Allez, on y va. Hurry.
That was French.
Let's
French. Get going.
Pretty little thing, let me light your count, cause mama, I'm sure hard to hell and now, yes, around. Action speaks louder than word, and I'm a man with a great experience.